Hello guys, another installation for septic tank, satellite 1 area. Yeah, it's another place, another area. Progress na naman po ito guys, pero mas malaki ito kaysa yung una naming in-install dati doon sa satellite 2. Ito mas malaki, nasa 10 meters yung haba ng aming septic tank. Ito nga pala yung aming standby man. Standby man, see? Check. Medyo may kalakihan po itong aming septic tank na to. Yan guys, so tignan nyo. Ganda ng pagkaka-install guys. Haba ng aming boom, oh. Hello. Dito tayo guys para medyo maganda yung view. Yan, oh. Another progress guys, another progress. Yan guys, tingnan nyo. Malalim guys, malalim yan. Nasa 7 meters ang lalim. Ay, ito po yung aming in-install nung nakaraan. Ayan, tabi po niyan is ito, septic tank. Medyo may kalayo din, nasa sa 60 meter ang layo. Guys, balik tayo doon sa ating area. Sa ngayon, pangit pa yung area rito, gawa ng marami pang hukay, excavation ba. Pero palipasin nyo ng mga 2 buwan, 3 buwan ito, napakaganda na rin ito guys. Update po kayo palagi guys para makita nyo yung ano nito, kalalabasan. Yan guys. Yan na yung mga tao. Yun po nakasecure po yung mga tao kasi nakasabit pa yung aming load. Hindi ko po pinabibitawan yan sa crane para safe na safe yung mga tao sa baba. Ito guys. Saka standby man is always active and our safety is always active here in this area. See? Hello. YouTube. Good. Apat. Say hi, say hi. Ay. Our operator here. Mukis, our operator. Say hi, Mukis bhai. Ay. No.
As a crazy man, he's here. Hi.
No. After my YouTube problem, making violation. Our permit saver is there.
Permit receiver.
Around for na looking for nothing. Only joking.
Black man. Mas black.
Bosir Balag man. Live.
Okay guys.
Bosir Balag.
See you next video.
Bosir Balag.
Don't forget subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much guys. Thank you.